to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. Now there's this old code that most of us know of. If you are MTN user, there's what *141# send. Now this code has been in existence for a long time, but there is this new offer that people are enjoying, so I'm just here to let you know if you haven't checked that. Okay, so when you type that, you just have to move on to 99, okay, to more, and you see this offer here. It says select your MTN just for you offer, which is 1 GB plus another 1 GB for 7 days just for you at 4 Ghana cedis. So with as low as 4 Ghana cedis, you will be able to get what 2 GB of data. You get 1 GB, and then you will be given another extra 1 GB of data for 7 days. So this code is already there, so you can just check it out if you have this offer or not. See you in the next video. Bye.